Today, so-called money-minded celebrities or influencers, they are shitting anything in the name of freedom. In the name of feminism, they are promoting anything. We cannot accept such things. It's not normal. Wearing indecent clothes in front of brother, or if a brother wears indecent clothes in front of sister, it is not normal, and it cannot be normal. At least not in at my place. The guy who is sitting in front of Kirti Sanan is not her real brother. I asked Kirti Sanan, will she wear such indecent clothes in front of her dad or in front of her brother? See, just to get a limelight, she says no. But deep inside, she knows very well that she has committed a grave mistake, which she cannot compensate. She has really, disturbed and upset her fan, by multiple levels. I asked her what narrative she's setting in front of young audience, especially teenager girls or who are still adolescent, who look upon her as an idol. See, she should she should announce an apology that yes, she has defiled this festival of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love, respect among siblings. And why is she shitting in the name of religion? See, clearly Jiva has tried to cash upon this opportunity, as now it is a talk of the town. People who were unaware of this brand, they are now aware that there is a brand called Jiva. We should clearly boycott this brand called Jiva at least for a couple of months or a year, so that no other company dare to make such mistakes again. See, if it was a day of Valentine's, Karwa Chauth, Teej, or if it would have been your boyfriend or girlfriend's birthday, the case must have been completely different. No one would have bothered to even give a shit thought to it. But it's Raksha Bandhan. Come on, man. Even you are Indian. You do not, you're not born, brought up in America or Europe, or in other Western countries. You're from Delhi. You must be aware about the rich culture and heritage which India has. You cannot defile our festivals like this. It's not Karwa Chauth where you have to entice, you have to pamper your husband or spouse or your boyfriend. कीर्ति सेनन की नेक लाइन आईटी स्टॉक्स की जरा गिरती ही जा रही है. सी दीज मनी माइंडेड सेलिब्रिटीज, दे जस्ट वांट टू कैश अपॉन एवरी फेस्टिवल, be it Diwali, Eid, whenever it's time to celebrate, they just present themselves in such negative shade that it spoils the mindset of their fans.